complaining about joint pains post COVID, uh, mostly the women. So is this something to be worried about? Like, uh,
One fact I've already addressed is the women are usually vitamin D deficient. Of course, men also. And the vitamin D is very, very important for me for immunity. So I would say the women, those who are having joint pains, check the vitamin D levels. Otherwise, also we do prescribe vitamin D supplementation during COVID era, and if the girls, if they are taking calcium and not sufficient vitamin D, there is a there is a close association between the calcium absorption and vitamin D. Because unless until you have a good level of vitamin D, even if you are taking calcium, it will not be absorbed. So because and on the other hand, if you are taking both and still you are having joint pains and your vitamin levels are still low, that means that calcium and that vitamin D is not absorbed, because vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin, and unless until whenever you are taking once in a week a pill of vitamin D, you have to take a good amount of fat with that vitamin D. It will not absorb. So the women are usually coming, I am taking calcium, I am taking vitamin D, why my levels are low, why I am suffering from joint pains, why I am having skeletal pains. So the vitamin D is not absorbing because they are not following the right instructions. Number one. Number two, if they are already deficient and they are taking and the levels are okay, there might be other reasons like bone weakness. As I said earlier, there is increased chances of osteoporosis during menopause, and also in young girls nowadays we have seen in women, those who are during lactation, they are not taking proper calcium. The calcium is transmitted to the baby, and they are losing their bone strength. So overall bone mass and bone strength is losing, and they are having pains. So all these aches and pains are otherwise also can be there, but during COVID, after the COVID, because of the letharginess and all those fever, all those things, they experience more in post-COVID time. So they
yes,
should continue to exercise, yoga, continue to take vitamins, supplementations, and continue to take a high calcium and vitamin D rich diet so as to avoid these joint pains.